Hello and welcome to Full of Food. I've been wanting to cook a red Thai curry in my pressure cooker for a while now, so this week I gave it a go. The thing I loved the most was the speed. It was ready in less than 30 minutes from start to finish. A full list of ingredients is in the description. Okay, so on to those ingredients. I've got some chicken breasts here, and then I've got some stock. That's chicken stock, coconut milk. I bought some red Thai curry paste, you could make your own. And then I've got some oil, some brown sugar, lazy garlic, chili ginger and basil. And I've also grated some of the ginger there. I'll show you how we use that in a bit. So like I said, this was so quick. It was literally 30 minutes from me starting this to me eating it. So I've just put my oil into my Ninja, and I'm just going to saute off that grated ginger and a little squeeze of garlic. I use lazy garlic, you could use whole garlic if you wanted. And then I'm going to put that curry paste in and also just warm that through, make sure I'm releasing all the flavours. So next, my lovely coconut milk. It's the thing I love about Thai curry so much, is that lovely coconut milk. Then I'm just making up a little bit of stock. I've used chicken stock here, you could use vegetable stock as well. Pop that in. And then next thing, I'm just going to cube my chicken into my sauce. So you could buy your chicken ready cubed. I just grab some breasts, and I like to use scissors because I find it much easier, and just chop them straight into the pot while that sauce bubbles away. So there you go, close it up. You're going to cook it on pressure cook, high pressure for 3 minutes, and make sure you do a natural release. That's the important bit here. So make sure your valve's closed and make sure you do a natural release. Whilst that's cooking, I just want to make some garnishes. So I've just got some more ginger here. I'm just going to cut that into some little matchsticks. I quite like it when you put fresh raw ginger onto the top of the Thai curry. It just adds that nice little texture. And then I'm just going to do some nice chilli slices. And then I've got some normal basil here, but you can get Thai basil if you can get that in your supermarket. And I'm cheating, I'm going to use micro rice, but you could make your own rice. I use jasmine here because it's nice and sticky, and pop it in a bowl and then just pop it out, and it looks really nice. It looks a nice little mound of rice in the middle. So there we have it, my Thai curry's finished. Make sure you give it a stir. That coconut milk does sort of separate a little bit, so you need to keep going and stirring. And then add some of that brown sugar. That just really enhances the flavour and makes those sweet Thai flavours come out. So what I like to do is get a slotted spoon so I can get all of that chicken round my rice, and then just grab a ladle and add that beautiful sauce round the edge. So once that's done, last bit, just a little bit of garnish. So like I said, I've got a few ginger matchsticks there, some sliced red chilies, and if you can get Thai basil, get it, but if not, normal basil does taste just as nice. So there we have it, a beautiful red Thai curry in less than 30 minutes. You could do a green curry, you could use different meat, but it's a perfect way to have a lovely fresh dish for an evening meal.